Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chauvin Arnoux channel. We've got something really exciting to unbox today. The Chauvin Arnoux 6-011 continuity tester. A handy tool designed to simplify and speed up R2 testing. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use, this could be a great addition to your toolkit. Let's dive in and see what's inside. First, we've got our user manual. You might want to take a quick read of this before using the tester. While it's simple to use, you'll be able to familiarise yourself with the unit much quicker. Second, we've got our reeling box. The reeling box is really convenient to use. It holds a 30-metre test lead and makes it easier to manage during testing. It's built for durability with a solid feel to it, and the reel is designed to allow for smooth unwinding and retracting of the lead. Next up, we have our strap, which goes around our neck. This is used to attach the reel box to our belt, keeping it easily accessible when you're moving around during testing. The strap ensures that the reel box stays secure and organised. Here's the CA6011 continuity tester itself. It's lightweight but feels solid, and it's designed with convenience in mind. You can see that the display is large and easy to read. The buttons are minimal and straightforward, making it simple to operate. This display has a blue backlight that changes to red if a test fails. And it also can be set to vibrate, making it great for more challenging work environments. Now, let's put the components together. The tester clips straight onto the reel box like this, and as you can see, there's magnets that helps it attach. Just like that. This setup is designed for portability, which makes it easier to manage the tester and leads together. The reeling box also allows you to keep your leads neatly stored, and the tester is always within reach when you need it. Both test leads, the green and the black, both connect directly into the CA6011 continuity tester. These test leads are flexible and also come with probes. This means they are perfect for various testing scenarios. You'll also find a crock clip which attaches onto the green cable inside the reeling box. This crock clip will then be attached onto a known earth point. The continuity tester itself comes with a handy wrist strap, and there's also an optional extendable continuity rod for getting to those out of reach places without the need of steps or ladders. Overall, the CA6011 R2 continuity tester offers a simple yet reliable solution for electrical continuity testing. The components, including the reel box, the strap, the tester, provide a well-organised and portable solution for professionals who need to conduct tests on the go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. See you in the next one.